Building a project management career with CAPM. The CAPM certification is a valuable credential from the PMI. It shows your grasp of basic project management concepts. It is a great start for those seeking a project management career. Steps to building a project management career with CAPM. Obtain the CAPM certification. To build a project management career, first pass the CAPM exam. This certification will prove your project management skills. It will make you a more competitive job candidate. Gain project management experience. The CAPM certification is a great start. But, hands-on experience in project management is crucial for career growth. Look for opportunities to work as a project coordinator or assistant to gain valuable experience. Update your resume. Be sure to highlight your CAPM certification and project management experience on your resume. Tailor your resume to the specific job you are applying for to increase your chances of landing a project management role. Set career goals. Define your career goals in project management and create a plan to achieve them. Whether you want to be a project manager or an industry expert, clear goals will keep you focused and motivated. Tips for building a successful project management career. Develop strong leadership skills. As a project manager, you must lead well. Strong leadership skills are key to managing projects and teams. Develop your leadership abilities through training and on-the-job experience. Enhance your project management skills. Always improve your skills. Focus on communication, risk management, and time management. These skills will help you effectively lead projects and achieve successful outcomes. Network with other professionals, attend industry events and join project management groups. Connect with other professionals to build a strong network. Networking can lead to new opportunities and valuable connections. Conclusion. In conclusion, the CAPM certification is a great way to begin your career in project management.